All right, so if you were not here, we are going to be looking at Japan today. That should say to 15/16. Um, so while I take a role and do everything, you are starting just with this opening question. Japan is a country with relatively few natural raw materials. How do you think Japan will get the materials needed for industrialization? So we're going back a little bit in time, kind of to Unit 3 about industrialization. So given what you've learned in the class, how are they going to acquire raw materials, do you think? Then most of today is going to be using this document. We're going to be reading different sections of it and then answering the questions. So for this 12-minute period, you're just kind of looking at the section Japanese geography and the problem with industrialization. And then you're answering these 3 questions. Then on that same document, we're going to be going ahead, reading Imperial Japan, and then you have 3 more questions to be looking at. Then we are going to be looking at a video. It is a 10-minute video about effects of Japanese imperialism. And while we're watching that, there are 3 different questions that you're going to be looking at. Then at the end of the day, you are going to be using these pages in your textbook to see kind of similarities between Japan and Italy, since we just looked at Italy yesterday. And then to end class, I have one more video to watch because I do want to be checking in with all of you because the grading period is ending. So I want to kind of have that going on while I'm checking in with students. And then finally, you do have an exit ticket. So if there are any questions about that, or if you were not here, please let me know. But that is all we are doing for today.